guys! Part 2. May in-order ako guys sa kaklase ko. Charot. Ano guys, pinadala niya na sa akin dito. Oo, kaklase ko kasi siya. Okay. Tara na, buksan na natin. Oh, ang ganda ng pinagawa niya. So guys, ang ganda nito, pink! And ito, ang ganda din. Ito, super, ano siya, aesthetic. Kasi sa Thailand, hindi, sa Saudi pala to. So guys, ilagay na natin siya dyan. So ngayon magpapa-previous hindi pala. Hindi tayo magpapa-previous guys. Kasi nag-order din siya sa akin. And ito na lang yung papaglagyanan natin. So ito. Yan. Wala kasi akong ma-previous-previousan. Ganda, super ganda niya. Okay, guys. Examine na natin.
Oh, look! These letters are jumping around!
Hey, well, let's give one a try. Tap on one of the letters. What's that hidden over there?
So guys, lalapit na mata.
Wow, cool! A is for apple. Oh, what am I supposed to do?
Let's try tracing the letter A.
So, comment for part 3 na lang
Just
guys.
try to drag it down to the apple.
Lang! Gosh.
Really hungry. I got it.
Well done, that was great.
That was easy.
So
and
guys,
fun.
comment for part
Can I
3.
play some more?
Download and try our ABC
Comment
phonics
for
and
part
tracing app.
3.